Well, hello and welcome to Larry's RC Room. Today I'm going to show you what I picked up while I was down there in Georgia from Dixieland RC. We was over at Fern's, and Dixieland brought a couple, 3 or 4 of these trucks with him, and we picked up one of them from him. It's an Enduro24, Sendero trail truck. 124 scale, ready to run off-road truck. Yeah, it comes with a 1S LiPo battery. It comes with the controller and paperwork and all that stuff. Well, the battery's charged up, and I was gonna give it a little quick unboxing review here. Well, I used it down there at Fern's on his little crawling course, which was a pretty cool place. Fern was a heck of a host, and we're gonna go over it here real quick. Let you see what this Sendero is all about. As you can see, I've taken the body off of it. I've done put the battery in it. So with this little truck, you get the little motor there. I couldn't tell you all about that. Little ESC right there. Fine button. Get your controller. And all that. Little 1S battery sits back here in the back. Does have an on-off switch. Got a little mini turbo in it. We'll flip this thing around. Alright, there you go. The Sendero 124 scale. The steering linkage is all in the front, like a standard RC would be, instead of like the Enduros that we know. And you get your 4-link suspension, no handlers bar, and on the front end you get spring-loaded shocks, which are not oil-filled, which you can upgrade. Most of your screws on this thing are Phillips screws because it's so small. There are some Allen sets in it. It is a steel stamped chassis and plastic servo horn. So all in all, it's a pretty neat little truck, and it'll be fun, especially when it's nasty outside, too nasty to go trailing. I can always make up a trail in the house. Right here, of course, is your transmitter. Yep, you can tell I've got it turned on. The truck is turned on. You have an on-off switch right here. And then you have your trims and your dual rate adjustments on each knob there. Accordingly, throttle, steering, on-off switch on the top. You've got a channel 3 button right here, which I have no idea what that's for, but I haven't read the instructions. I've just played with the thing. Anyways, let's give this thing a run, see if she'll climb a line mountain. It does have working lights whenever you give the throttle. It does. The lights do come on. We're going to see if she'll climb up here on this little line now. Little C70 motor. What it's going to do? Oh! Unwiped out. That little 1S battery and much. Another little guy, you can do it. There you go. Yep, there it is. Hey, we'll look at the truck anyway. It might be fun to make a little course out of here now sometime. It's not like to climb on first. Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. We're going to have some fun with this thing, ain't no doubt about that. We'll talk to y'all later. Hey, Have fun laughing, playing, and RCing. Peace out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. I'm going to park this thing back in its garage. It does not have backup lights. And there we go. See if I can get it to control them back into the garage. There it is.